How to look cute without using makeup in 2024. Welcome to my channel Glow Up Guide. To look cute without using makeup, you can focus on your overall appearance and behavior. Here are some tips to help you achieve that. In this video, I will show you how to look cute without the use of makeup in just a few simple steps. Get ready to unleash your inner cuteness and become everyone's favorite adorable human. This video includes wearing cute outfits, cute hairstyle, smelling cute, acting cute, and cute nails. Let's dive into the video. Wearing cute outfits. Looking cute starts with your outfit. Yes, your clothes have the power to transform your personality. Step 1. Pastel colors. Wear clothes in soft pastel shades like pink, lavender, mint, and baby blue. Step 2. Dresses and skirts. Opt for flowy dresses or skirts with floral patterns or cute prints. And if you are not a skirt or dress kind of person, no worries, you do you. Step 3. Layering. Layer your outfits with cardigans, denim jackets, or cute sweaters. Step 4. Accessorize. Add cute accessories like bows, headbands, dainty jewelry, or cute bags. Step 5. Comfortable shoes. Wear comfortable yet stylish shoes like ballet flats, cute sneakers, or ankle boots. Cute hairstyles. Step 1. Braids. Try different types of braids like French braids, fishtail braids, or Dutch braids. Step 2. Ponytails. High ponytails, low ponytails, or side ponytails can look very cute. Step 3. Half-up hairstyles. Half-up, half-down hairstyles with a cute hair clip or bow. Step 4. Messy buns. A messy bun with a few strands of hair framing your face. Step 5. Natural waves. Embrace your natural hair texture and add some soft waves, smelling cute. Step 1. Perfume. Choose a light, floral, or fruity perfume to smell fresh and cute. Step 2. Body mist. Use a body mist for a subtle and refreshing scent. Step 3. Scented lotions. Apply scented lotions or body creams to keep your skin soft and smelling nice. Step 4. Hair fragrance. Use a hair mist or fragrance to keep your hair smelling good. Step 5. Hygiene. Maintain good personal hygiene by showering regularly and using deodorant. Acting cute. Step 1. Positive attitude. Stay positive and cheerful, smile often, and be kind to others. Step 2. Politeness. Use polite language and gestures and show respect to everyone. Step 3. Playfulness. Be playful and lighthearted in your interactions. Step 4. Confidence. Be confident in yourself and your appearance, as confidence is attractive. Step 5. Body language. Use open and friendly body language, make eye contact, and avoid crossing your arms. Cute nails. Step 1. Nude colors. Choose nail polish in soft, pastel, or nude colors for a subtle, cute look. Step 2. Nail art. Try simple nail art like polka dots, hearts, or small floral designs. Step 3. Short and neat. Keep your nails short and neatly trimmed for a clean, cute appearance. Step 4. Glossy finish. Use a clear or slightly tinted gloss for a natural, polished look. Step 5. Nail care. Maintain healthy nails by moisturizing your cuticles and avoiding harsh chemicals. Combining these elements will help you look and feel cute without relying on makeup. I hope these tips helps you a lot. If this video is informative for you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!